Alright, the first bar, our main focus right now. So let's see, let me run through it first. Alright, so here we go. On the count of 4, I shall start looping it so you can follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 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 3, 4. I'll do the other bars individually just in case that would help. So second bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 3, and 4, and 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 third bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 3, 4, and 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 final bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 now let's try the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 3, 4, 1, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, 4, 1, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I believe that was correct. So the things we talked about besides this: guitar posture, sit with your left leg propped up, guitar body resting on the left leg, angled up like it is now, how I have the strap, and thumb center of the hand as much as possible. Yes, I cannot do the thumb in the center of the hand when the guitar's body is preventing me from going further. So once you reach that point where the neck kind of gets you, well, thankfully you don't have to do much of a reach. But yes, excellent habit. Thumb behind the center of the hand as much as possible, especially for leads, doing big stretches and whatnot. Exceptions would be playing a chord like this, having your thumb over the top in order to mute that low E string. But you don't need a very big stretch when you're doing that kind of chord anyway. So besides that, something like when I'm doing like a string rake into a bend, I'll use my thumb to help mute these strings to kind of fatten up a bend. Sounds different than this. So those are some exceptions to the rule of having the thumb always in the back and center of the hand. The other things we talked about, my opinion on fingers to use for these scale shapes. Well, I'll just show you the finger exercise. So basically you have the 3 different patterns that happen. Always leading off with the first finger, we go up a half step, followed by a whole step. We also have a whole step followed by a half step, or the 2 whole steps. So the finger exercise does those patterns. There we go. First finger, second finger, fourth finger, first, third, and fourth, and then first, third, and fourth again with the bigger stretch, and then we play it coming back down. And you can just start moving that up the fretboard. And so on. So you can take that up as far as you want. Like maybe from 1 up to 12 or the full octave higher. So just as long as you get comfortable with it, kind of get used to the new fingering there. So yeah, I guess that would about cover it. I just had an idea. She has a pretty nice sounding chord. So, I believe that covered everything we talked about and worked on yesterday. So, if not, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Remember, you might not make it back in time for the next class, but I will plan on seeing you. And if you can't make it, we'll move on to another video.